HJC spins a new web with the CS-R3 and introduces the HJC CS-R3 Spider-Man Helmet. The CS-R3 Spider-Man Helmet weighs just 3 pounds 5 ounces in a size medium, with sizes ranging from extra small to 2XL. This helmet features a rapid-fire shield replacement system with a shield that provides 95% UV protection with an anti-scratch coating. The CS-R3 helmet is also equipped with a fully removable and washable interior liner and can easily be utilized as a snowmobile helmet with the optional dual lens or electric shield. If you're interested in learning more about the HJC CS-R3 Spider-Man Helmet, click the info button on your desktop or mobile device, and we'll see you just around the corner.